A day at the park. It is a fine Saturday afternoon, the sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends Vignesh, Seethali, Rizvi and Amanda in the park with their families. Rizvi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Niaz is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Niaz is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters, Sharon and Rebecca, are playing on a seesaw. Seethali is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream.